Todd Kotlerick. I'm the general manager here in Milwaukee, and it is really cool to have so many customers and prospects in our new building. We've been here 8 months, and we're showing it off, talking about the managed office and office x-rays. We've got great sponsors and vendors here. The big thrill is the team here really worked hard together to put this on, to get people to register, to decorate this place. We've got great food, and just so excited to be able to entertain so many great guests.
Hi, this is Paul Labate from Xerox Corporation here at Novatech, and what a great event it's been. So far, there's been about 30 to 40 people coming through the door looking at the Xerox PrimeLink Light Production Color Series machine, along with the Xerox AltaLink Series machine with apps, and we're just having a great time here.
Hello, I'm Julia Ebner. I'm digital specialist at Novatech. Our guests today are not only going to enjoy learning about the technology solutions and software that Novatech provides, but we have food trucks. There's going to be photos and autographs taken with former Packer player Chris Jackie. We would like to thank everybody for coming out today and making this day so special. It's been so fun to meet everyone, to network in person, and to show how Novatech could bring your business up to speed.